everybody, welcome back to another Roblox video. Today we will be playing some more Roblox, Roblox, but the Flash, as you guys can see by the title of the video. So pretty much it's Flash, I think it's called Flash Universe, I don't know. I've played this game for a while, and we got this person up here saying we all suck. So I told him, geez, I'm trying to make a YouTube video, and he's like, yeah, right, and I told him my channel, and it said K. Wait, I'll be back, and I'm like, okay. And then I'm like, it's a Harry Potter logo. And then I'm just waiting for him. That's to prove him wrong. So, pretty much, yeah. So, Zoom's layer exterior, so we have to defeat Killer Frost, and they will be showing up in about 20 seconds, 15 seconds. So before that, oh yeah, and to make myself faster, I bought a tachyon for $1.99 Robux, like 199 Robux. No, it was like 150 Robux, around that. The tachyon. Ooh, that looks cool. Whee! Okay, they showed up. Okay. So here they are. Let's go out of unspeed smell. Let's kill this guy first. Oh, yeah. Oh, come here, boy. Come here, boy. Oh, yeah. Here, what is this guy? Cool. I'm gonna run around him. Oh, where am I? This is a lightning bolt. And, we'll super sonic punch this guy. I think I missed. Oof. Wait. Oh, guys, Zoom, please don't kill me. I gotta go to settings really quick. Setting up volume. Let's put it right. Oh, it's loud. Let's mute the music. All you gotta hear is the speed. Oh, crap. Oh. Oh, who's this? Who's that? Oh, Killer Frost, what are you doing? Huh? Oh, this is the good Killer Frost. There to take out this thug. What are you doing? Ugh. There he goes. Where's the evil Killer Frost? Oh, here's the evil one. No, you killed him. Where's he at? Where'd he go? Zoom. Killer Frost is almost dead. Okay, she died. You freaking blew me back. And I blew you back. Oh, yeah, how'd you like that? How would you like that? Oh, I'm about to die. Oh, there's a thug here. Oh! Barely touch. Oh. Huh? No. Okay, so it looks like they defeated us. Let's see. I don't think he's joined. Whoa, jeez. We're in Zoom's lair, boys. Delicious. What? I can't even get out of here. Great. Help, please. Help me. Can you help me out, bro? Oh! What the? Jeez! What? Oh! It's gone. No. You don't deserve to live. You're level 2, I murder you. You hurt me, I hurt you. Okay, he left. Wait for it. I think I got him. No way I got him. Where's he at? There he is. Look, I'm faster than he doesn't know I'm faster. What are you doing, bro? Okay. Come on, man. We're doing a speed chase now, boy. Oh, crap. There he is. Okay, obviously he's better with the skills of running. Dang it, get me out of here. I think we lost him, guys. Okay, we're on Earth 2, if you guys don't know. But, I'm gonna go back to Earth 1, so let's go back to Earth 1! Ah! I think we made it. What the? Can I, just, ooh. Dang, Saboteur wasn't this easy to beat. Okay. Well, in the show, it was way harder. Look, he's up here right now. We have to save Iris. No, I'm begging you, please, don't do this. No! Don't do this, I'm begging you. No. 12 more seconds, please. Please. Where'd it go? Oh no, not supposed to be here. Heroes. Not supposed to be here. Got that. Thank you. Ooh. Wait, I think this is the apartments for them. Their apartments. Wally West. What's up, my dude? Okay. We like phase in. We're in the home. We're in Bear's home. What a long day. I wish I could take the suit off. Oh, wait, I have to purchase Robux to take the suit off. That sucks. Okay, what's in here? Can't face in there. Okay, too fast. Oh. Defeat Zoom and Dr. Light construction site. 17,000 XP. Oh! Who is this? Trajectory! Watch me murder her. Yee. Bro, I'm so fast. Faster than you, my guy. I can perfectly time this. Dang it. I got to do this. I'm running so fast, guys. Run, Barry, run!
Cartoon, Ryan, pizza.
Okay. That was cool. I need to press a nice, big, long building to run it. Perfect. This is what I'll do. I gotta redo that. I have to save this guy. Oh, what the? Splat. Okay, let's go to the construction site. Ah, dang it. Yeah. Oof, made it out. Oh, knocks that guy over. Zoom and Dr. Light. You won't be able to find me here, huh? Won't you? Let's be a new character. Let's be Vibe. Actually, we'll stick with being Flash, actually. Oh, this one actually is Iron Heights, right? Is it Iron Heights? Iron Heights Penitentiary. Okay. We're in Iron Heights. Oh, can I let me through? Yo, let me through, piece of crap. Okay, here we go. go to the yard. Or is this the yard? I can't tell. The frick. Oh, this is for the mini humans. What's this for? Okay, now we're getting deeper in. Oh wait, this is for Thon when he got XTK Season 5. So how fast we can go through 3, 2, 1. What the? Ah! Alright, we're gonna see how fast we can go. Oh! That was awesome. I just went. Oh! Alright, guys, so this is gonna probably end off the video right here. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Help me! And we will see you all in the next one. Peace!